Making money online is really okay, but it's not magic. It's not magic at all. So you need to stay consistent and have good mindset, and you need skills, consistent and the right platform for you to get started and make money online and start small, grow with times. Start with what you have and start making monies online. And let's move into what I want to show you in this video right now. So you just need to pick a profitable online path. Like there's different way for you to make money online legitimately. Okay, so the first one is I recommend affiliate marketing for everybody, but because it's something that it's easy and you can start making money within 3 days or 2 days if you are someone that's smart and know how to learn fast. Okay, and when it comes to freelancing, which is you work with Fiverr and work with Upwork, there's a lot of money for you to make on these platforms too, but it requires you sometimes because you need to learn some skills that you will hand that to people and start making money. That one may take you up to 30 days before you start making money. And when it comes to content creations, you choose the one that you like. Is either YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or doing blogging. And that one too require learning. Okay, and you have to be consistent because not immediately you get started, you start making money. This one might take you up to 6 months before you start making money. And the fourth one is online tutoring and coaching. Okay, when we talking about coaching, it's like you have some skills, like, and you want to render these to people, like teach people how it works and how you doing it and it works for you. Then you charge them for money and you get your own money and you have some profit about it. This one too is really profit. Okay, all what you need to do is to have some community, either Facebook or any other space or WhatsApps, then you start training them on what you know about that will benefit with people, So people are facing problem about one or two things. So if you can solve their problem by coaching them, that will be good and you start making your own money. And the fifth one is selling digital products or courses. Okay, when we are talking about digital products, it can be ebook, it can be template, or anything online stores that doesn't need physical delivery. Okay, and when we're talking about courses, let's say you know something about blogging, then you package everything, you do some video about blogging from A to Z, how you did it, then you sell it to people and you start making money. That's how you make monies online. So don't let anybody confuse you about just coming online and say they didn't do anything and start making money. No, that's not how online things works. And there are tools you already have. Okay, you have smartphone or laptop. That one is the best things for you to get started with. Okay, if it's only smartphone, and when it comes to internet access, you have access to the internet because for you to watch this video right now, you have access to the internet. Alright, so and free app for you to get started with is you have Canva over free and pro, and with Canva free you can do anything you like. Because I can tell you right now that I'm still using Canva free for now. I have stopped using pro since last year. Okay, I'm still using free for now and it's working perfect. And CapCut is there for you to edit video. They offer you free options too for you to get started. And if you are not familiar with Canva, you can use InShot to start editing your video. And the best thing, the most free app that you have that people don't know how to use is ChatGPT. Go and learn how to use ChatGPT right now. It will give you a lot of money. And the fourth one is your WhatsApp. How much are you making on your WhatsApp per day or per month? If you are not making money, you are losing a lot of things. WhatsApp is your shop, it's your complaint, and you use it to make money. Okay, not just to chat and view status. And there are some free platforms that you can join and start making money. If you are someone that want to sell courses or digital product or training, all these stores, you can use seller to get started with. And if you are someone that doesn't want to use all this platform and you want to get payment direct to you, okay, you can use space tag to create a product link and start selling to people. Then you withdraw your own money direct into your account, so without third party, right? So there's YouTube there. YouTube is a free platform that you can use to start making money by creating content and shows people around what you know and what you are selling, right? So there's a link tree. You have had your link, all your link there, so that people can reach out to you, okay? And the most app that you can use is Take Cut. It's totally free. If you want to start affiliate marketing, go for Take Cut. It's totally free. If you don't have money to pay for other platform for mentorship and any other things. And the first move that you need to take is your two chains. There is tech niche and finance, fashions and business. There is other niche too, but this as just some example of what you can go into. So as I'm talking to you right now, I'm into tech niche, right? So if you too can choose the niche that you know you can be perfect with, so you will not be born out when you started creating content or start promoting that thing. Okay. So and then you need to create valuable content or offer service to people so that you can make money. As you are creating content, offer your service to people and start making money. And then you share your affiliate links or your gigs on your social media. So if you want to grow fast, know how to use social medias to boost your business, okay, to gain more visibility about your business. The more people that see your business, the more money that you be into your account, okay. And the last thing is that you need to promote what you are selling either on Facebook or WhatsApp or short video on TikTok or your YouTube, right? So tips to grow fast. When you just started and you want to make money online, you need to stay consistent for 30 days if you are just getting started, like for 30 days without resting. Okay, so show up every day for 30 days and you see the good result and build trust and show value. It's not just that you started today to sell something and you start selling, come and buy what I'm selling, come and buy what I'm selling. No, that's not how you make money online. First of all, build trust with your audience and then you show valuable content, show something valuable about what you are selling. When people see that this person is serious about this thing and this product is good, they will come to you without you begging them to buy from you. And then focus on helping, not selling. These things, it takes me up to like 3 months before I understand what they mean about focus on helping, not selling. So I tried to sell for like 2 months and I didn't make much money at all. Let's say I didn't make money at all. And when I'm trying to help people to grow online, the money that being into my account is like how it's massive. And leverage on trending topics and hashtag. When it comes to being consistent, not just being consistent, try to do more research about what you are into and what other people are doing about what you wanted to do. Because before you start, there are some people that are already doing it. Go and copy them, copy their hashtag and trending topic about their channel or their page, and you start creating content around it. Just twist it and let it be more valuable than the person is, okay. And then money will follow value. Let me tell you, money will follow value when you try to make money online. And what you need to do is to help others solve problem. As you are helping others solve problem, you'll be getting your own return, right? And then the more you help others solve problem, the more knowledge you too will be having, and then build a personal brand. See, the most thing is that some people do business like I just want to make money, I just want to make money. They don't really build their brand. So focus on building your brands as you are selling or you are making money, because that one will help you in future, right? So the brand that you build today is one that will make you successful tomorrow, right? And then offer value before asking for money. Don't you just come online and say, come and buy this ebook, it will give you something. No. Share them valuable content about the ebook. Let them know what they are doing about the ebook, right? So when it comes to my final word for you guys is that making money online is simple, but not easy. Not easy. You need to learn how to improve and earn. That's how it works on this online space. Learn how to improve and earn, and start now. Don't hit better than perfect. Okay. Let's say you want to start something right now. You want to start affiliate marketing, right? And you don't have any experience about it. You will just sit down and say, I cannot start it right now because I don't know anything. No. Follow what they teach you. Go into this online space and do it the first day, second day, third day, and you'll be perfect about it within the month. Okay, that's why you need to stay consistent for 30 days. Do it consistent for 30 days. And please kindly share these videos to others. Let them know how to make money online so that they will not be confused when it comes to making money online. It's not a magic and it's not luck. It's by hard work, okay? Don't let anybody deceive you about it's not hard work or smart work. It's hard work because you really need to work hard before you start getting good results in this online space.